Hello everyone. Today we're making a delicious pasta casserole. Let's get started.
I'm the savory base of this casserole. I'll bring all the flavor.
I'm here to add sweetness and aroma as I cook with the meat.
I bring color and crunch to the party.
I give that classic pizza taste you love.
I'm the Italian herb that makes everything smell amazing.
I'm the tangy star that brings it all together.
I'll melt into gooey perfection and make it extra cheesy. I'll add a sharp finish and elevate the flavor.
I'm the foundation that holds everything together.
Got everything? Let's get cooking. First, we need to cook our ground beef.
Let me brown and get juicy.
Once the beef is browned, let's add our chopped onions and bell peppers. Cook for about 3 to 4 minutes until they soften.
We'll cook down and add a sweet, savory touch.
Now, pour in your pizza sauce. This is the heart of the pizza flavor.
I'm here to coat everything with my rich goodness.
Time for us to bring that pizza flavor.
While the sauce is simmering, cook your pasta penne. Once your pasta is done, drain it and add it directly into the skillet. Prepare a casserole dish by greasing it with olive oil, then pouring the pasta mixture. Add the cheese.
Now it's my turn. I'll melt and make everything gooey. Top me off for extra flavor and fun.
Pop your casserole into a preheated 375 degrees Fahrenheit, 190 degrees Celsius. Oven and bake for about 20 to 25 minutes, or until the cheese is melted and bubbly. It'll turn golden and delicious.
Let me melt and bubble in the oven for about 20 to 25 minutes.
And there you have it, your very own pasta casserole. It's packed with flavor, cheesy. Thanks for joining me today, and subscribe for more delicious recipes. See you next time.